Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to only allow friends to message you on the PlayStation 4, and this is really easy to do. What we want to do is go to settings right here, then scroll on down to account management. Then under here, we want to go to privacy settings, and we might have to type in our email address and password at some point here. Then go to where it says personal info messaging, choose who can see your real name and communicate with you. Then go on down to where it says messages. And we can switch this from anyone and go to friends only or no one. So if you are getting a lot of spam messages, set to friends only or no one. Now another thing that you can do is back out of here. Then under the main settings menu, we want to go to notifications. And then we can go to pop-up notifications. And we can go to messages under here. And we can completely turn off the messages. And we won't receive a pop-up notification. So if we actually want to view them then, we would have to go to the notifications section right here, or go to the home screen, and we can just view the messages from here, or maybe even our phone application. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.